Hi folks, and welcome to Parallel Projections Auxiliary Drawing 3. And in this question we are looking for the true shape of surface S. So a couple of things we've been asked to do. One is to do an isometric sketch, so we might as well get that out of the way first. Okay, so measurements are all there in front of you, so we're just drawing this roughly first of all, and you can pick off your points there, pick off your heights. There's only two main heights in this drawing. And when you're happy, then you can start doing in your isometric sketch. So my box went off to the left, and there I was, at the start I was nearly going drawing it the other way, and then I realised I get more information out of drawing it this way, so I just changed the box. And here in the isometric you can see the surface S. Again, we're going to be looking for the true shape of that. I'm just going to colour in that guy to make him stand out. And you can colour it all in if you wish. So, right, so we have our elevation and our plan view. I've already then set up, the very simplistic. So the surface S is there. What we see of surface S in our plan view is we see an edge view, okay? Now, when we're looking at our traditional elevation from plan view, you will be standing down there like the Lego man is looking in, okay? But when we want to see the true shape of something, you must be looking at that at 90 degrees, okay? So we're going to look straight in here, and we're going to project an auxiliary view to see the true shape of this surface, okay? Now, so we're going to do with a slide of set squares there. You can check it there. It is almost 60 degrees. It is slightly off it, okay? So I'm just going to do with slide of set squares. So line up your set squares there, and we're going to project up our lines for an auxiliary elevation. And all auxiliary means is another. Now we're going to set up an x1, y1, which must be perpendicular to your line of sight. So x1, y1 is just another ground line, okay? So all we're doing is we're standing there, we're looking at our elevation, we'll walk around here, we just see another view of it, but the heights will be the same. Just like when you're doing a basic orthographic, the heights are the same between end view and elevation. Okay, so we only have two heights in this, and that object itself is 55, and one height is coming up at 30 mil. The height there was 55. Now we do two light lines across there. Now we have a grid set up now for us to finish out the auxiliary elevation. So I get the true shape of the surface first. So I know the height of it. I know it starts there. I can follow it up along here. And that gets me the true shape of surface S. And as a rule of drawing, you know, where we get the heights from, two views back. This is our new view, one view back, two views back. So the elevation has the same heights. And we can finish out the rest of it then. So you know this corner is there. Okay, I know the height of it. So I can finish out that corner. Extend out the line, extend it down to the ground. I know it comes back as far as here then, and we can see that in our plan view there. So that's got the same height as the surface S, the top of it. I know then it is going straight up then after that. You can see that in your elevation. And we see this line as a point view here in plan. Okay, so that guy's just going straight up. And then we can finish out the end there. And we know that this here, that line there, is this line here in elevation, and it's this point in plan view. And if we follow that up, there it is, and we know the height of that. We can draw on that. And we can bring that guy across there. And that is our auxiliary elevation finish. So I'm just going to throw some colour on this. I'm going to stop talking for a minute. And that is it, folks. So remember, need to see the true shape of something, look in straight at it, okay, and you will see that true shape. So that's that video, folks. More videos to come. Take care and stay safe.